The RYOBI P317-P163 Stapler Kit is part of the versatile RYOBI ONE System, which includes over 225 cordless tools that all operate on the same battery platform. This stapler kit features innovative compression drive technology, which is designed to provide automated convenience and significantly reduce user fatigue. With the ability to fasten staples ranging from 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch in length, this tool offers flexibility for a variety of projects. The adjustable knob for depth of drive control ensures improved accuracy when working with different materials, making it a reliable choice for precision tasks. The onboard dual screen and wire attachment is a helpful feature that allows users to guide staples efficiently without penetrating wire or screens. Compatible with ARROW T50 staples, this stapler kit further enhances its functionality by supporting a range of staple sizes for various applications.